Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change the music widget on the IMO application. So how to change the music widget on the IMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the IMO app. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap your profile menu here. A profile menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Edit button below. Next, tap the Music widget. Here, there are lots of music options to choose from. Please select one of the songs. So that's it, tutorial on how to change the music widget on the IMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.